All right, so I have Sandeep from Ernst & Young and Samir from Fidelity. How was this MConnect and how's your experience been?
I think it is one of the great experience and I can say opportunity for the enterprise architect to understand what is the digital transformation we have to carry out in our organization or the products. So I can say it is one of the most important opportunity which we got today to attend this. Thanks.
Thank you, Sandeep. Samir, how some words about MConnect event?
Yeah, it was really good. I didn't know a lot about Microsoft Cloud, so Edge was good learning for me. So it was really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Samir. Thank you, and thank you both of you for spending this Saturday with us. See you soon. All right, now I have Srivatsan from Pramati Technologies and I have Rajiv from ForcePoint. Srivatsan, how was this MConnect experience?
It was really good actually. Saturday morning 9 to 12 was well spent, I should say, today. So we learned a lot of Azure, IoT stuff and so on. In fact, it's pretty much relevant to what we are trying to do. And that was a lot of good information. So,
Thank you, Srivatsan. Thank you. And yes, Rajiv.
Yeah, I think a lot of the real-world examples from people of different industries really helped. I'm going back with the baggage of what I can do to connect this with the cybersecurity market, which is the field I come from, as to how IoT as well as Edge Connect devices can be brought into the fold of cybersecurity, scan and vulnerability management, all those things. So I think there's a lot more work in those areas which needs to be done because things just connect as is currently. I did see Azure does have a lot of basic checks before you add them on, but it'll be interesting to see what companies like ForcePoint or Qualys, where I worked earlier, will be able to plug into that.
Right.
Huge learnings indeed.
Absolutely. Great forum, I hope. And Rajiv, the best part is not only connecting with Microsoft, you have the opportunity to connect with your peers. And not only this MConnect group, all the previous MConnect group. So I'm sure we are all looking forward to joining that larger group. Thank you, Srivashan. Thank you, Rajiv, for coming on a Saturday. I know it takes a lot of efforts to leave the family behind. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, so we have Neeraj from PayU and Dilip from Quicksilver. Neeraj, first you. How was this experience of MConnect event?
It's pretty nice. Actually, there are few things which, there are few problems which I was just trying to find a solution for those, and I think I got some idea, and I will be working very closely with Microsoft and you guys for that.
Thank you.
Thanks for inviting me.
Thanks, Neeraj. Yes, Dilip.
So one of the key takeaways is I was not aware about much about the Edge and their use cases. So this particular event helped to basically what are the new Microsoft offering in terms of the Edge and their real-time use cases. So it's really helpful event. Thank you for hosting it.
Thank you, Dilip. Thanks, Neeraj, for attending. Thanks for spending your Saturday with us. It was great hosting you. Thank you. And now I have Hari and Jaspinder. Hari is from VTO's Capital Market and Jaspinder is from the Math Company. Hari, first you. How was this experience of MConnect?
Fantastic experience, new possibilities. Learned a lot in this session this morning. Very, very useful. The new possibilities on the computer vision and the machine learning and the AI, has opened up a lot. I now have to go back and think as how am I going to adopt a lot of these for my ongoing projects.
Thank you, Hari.
Very useful. Thank you.
Thank you, Hari. Jaspinder, what about you?
Yeah, actually a very productive Saturday, I would call it. Made a lot of new friends, learned a lot about new upcoming technologies. So I could not have spent it better than this.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, and really kudos to all of you for coming on a Saturday. So great to host all of you.
As you said, a great Saturday.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye. And now I have Vijay from Clarivative Analytics. Vijay, how was this MConnect experience for yourself?
This was great. I think I did not have a very clear idea on what would be there tomorrow and what we kind of learned and what was shown over there was quite interesting. The examples and the connection to the real world, I think that was fantastic. So this is immensely useful, although in the industry that I come from, I think for our customers there are these uses that kind of come in, but then it is good to know that such things are going to come, and of course, on the personal level, these are going to affect us in the coming time, isn't it? So, yeah,
and I think there was a lot of eye opener about Microsoft Cloud, AI, IoT, and Edge.
Yeah, I think that was. I mean, so we in our company are primarily a Java shop, so many of the things are pretty new to me over here. But yeah, good to learn all of these things. And of course, they connect with everybody.
Yes. That's a bigger part of this event where you can connect with your peers. Thank you.
Thank you so much
Thank you,
for
Vijay.
hosting this and inviting me for that.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you. I have Abhishek with me from Beckman & Coulter. Abhishek, how was your MConnect experience?
Yeah, so it's my first time where I have joined this event, and it's really a nice experience because it tells me the trends, what Microsoft is looking specifically in the upcoming days. I also came to know about the various on-prem and cloud, how we can connect, and more learning about the edge. So it's really a different experience for me. When I came, my expectation was not that when looking at the agenda, but when I came out, it's really telling me that how Microsoft is building their services and how they are building the next level of technology.
Thank you very much, Abhishek. Thanks for coming on a Saturday. It was great to host you, and hope to connect with you soon again.
Thank you.
All right, now I have Meenakshi with me. She is from Standard Chartered. She is the head of technology for banking retail products. Meenakshi, how was your MConnect experience today?
Excellent, especially because it's a small set of group with people of a similar experience with exposure to the business and also influencing technology. So it was very important to understand what the upcoming trends are, especially here at Microsoft. What was intriguing for me to understand was the intelligent cloud and the intelligent edge, the connection between that and the possibilities that's out there. That was fantastic, and I think there are multiple use cases that we could do, very exciting journey. So hope to get some of these implemented at the workplace.
All right, Meenakshi, thank you very much. And I know it's not very easy to leave family behind and come out on a Saturday. So special thanks to you for coming on this Saturday, and I wish you a great weekend ahead, and we'll connect again soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hi, it is an exciting day. Today we are organizing the 5th MConnect of the year. It has been an amazing journey with this event. MConnect is a very specialized invite-only event where we invite vice presidents and directors of large organizations and create this platform where Microsoft leadership can connect with them and vice versa. Let me give you a bit of background. My name is Amit Bansal. I was awarded as Microsoft MVP in 2007. Since 2007, I have done a lot of community work for data analytics and AI professionals. We do podcasts, webinars, in-person events, and a very large-scale conference called DataPlatform Summit. While all those events and community initiatives are for developers and DBAs, and of course data scientists, I was always thinking of doing an event where we can connect the leadership of large enterprises with Microsoft leadership. So the motto behind this event was connect leaders with leaders. Microsoft honored me with regional director status in 2015, and the first thing when I tell people that I'm a Microsoft regional director, they think that I am an employee of Microsoft. No, I'm not an employee of Microsoft. Microsoft regional director is a status, it's an honorary designation that Microsoft has bestowed upon individuals who demonstrate exceptional community and technology leadership. And I'm very proud and deeply honored to be one of them. There are less than 200 Microsoft regional directors worldwide and less than 10 RDs in India, and deeply honored again to be one of them from India. So as a regional director, I thought that why not create a very focused platform where we can connect leaders with leaders. And of course, I always wanted to create this exclusive initiative which is also upholding the status of Microsoft Regional Director program. So in this event, it's a very small focused group event. We do not allow more than 20 participants in each MConnect event, and we collaborate with Microsoft Technology Center. At least for the last 5 events, including this one, we have collaborated with MTC India, and I'm very grateful and thankful to Microsoft India for allowing me to create this platform and allowing me to conceptualize and execute this event. In this event, we invite vice presidents and directors of large organizations and startups from various verticals and domains, including BFSI, manufacturing, retail, healthcare, and of course utilities and energy. And in this focused group, Microsoft leadership will talk to these leaders who are VPs and directors of their respective organizations and talk about technology, how technology is helping individuals and how technology is being used in businesses. Microsoft is doing some great innovation, and I truly believe that their vision of empowering every individual and every organization on this planet is really going places. And as a regional director, I thought that this sincere effort of Microsoft should definitely be propagated across various organizations. This event is not about someone standing on the stage and just delivering a 1 hour or a 2 hour session. It's a focused group discussion oriented event where leaders are talking about their challenges and Microsoft is talking about their innovations that they are doing. So it's a forum, it's a discussion group where people talk to each other. And amazing, the event is really going places, and it has seen unprecedented traction, at least in this fifth execution of this event. We unfortunately had to refuse a few people to participate because the max capacity at MTC is 20. So now what I'm going to do is take you to this event. We will go inside the room, but please note the event is in progress. It's going on right now. We'll just open the door quickly, take a sneak peek into the event, and then later we'll talk to Microsoft leaders and we will talk to the participants as to what they have to say about the event. So let's go inside the room and see it for yourself. Time to go inside the room. So this is the Microsoft Technology Center, and the event is happening inside, and now I need to keep my mouth shut. Let's walk in.
That's something we can one way is very good because especially in healthcare sector, they don't want to send data out of their hospital network, right? Or a country like China, it will not allow you to send data somewhere. Yeah. But if I see the flip side of it, is it not we are going back to the on-premise solution because you are not doing nothing different than what we have today with more computation power, and customer will not like to maintain that. Correct. That's why they are trying to go to cloud. So is it a fallback of cloud?
I would say not a fallback, I would say fallback on data privacy and security, which is coming in the form of, you know what, everything has put together. Nobody, see, India, by the way, a lot of banks are in the public cloud. By the way, public cloud is no different, probably it's more secure than a data center required. Right? MITI approved public clouds in India already. Now, like a GDPR, I am told there's a bill being worked out where we talk about data privacy for India. Right here. So last week or last week?